Hi, I'm Takiyah Louise. Thanks for clicking through to view this video of me quickly swatching Zoya Leslie. Zoya describes this polish as a soft spring lavender metallic with an energizing turquoise flash. Try as I might, I wasn't able to fully capture the turquoise flash out of the bottle on film, but I will say it lends this polish an extra iridescent quality that gives me unicorn vibes in person. I was able to get full coverage or opaqueness in 2 coats. The first coat I applied thin to see how the polish would behave, then I applied the second coat thicker when I realized it wouldn't pool if I used quick controlled motion across the nail. If you go in all thin, you may need 3 coats to cover nail lines. If you like what you see, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Anything you do is greatly appreciated. Did you know I'm also on Instagram and Facebook? You can find me at Takiyah Louise over there for more nail swatches and nail art. In the meantime, please click the info card to see my Zoya nail polish haul and let me know if you'd like a particular color swatch next. Until the next video, take care.